Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you cannot access your VIVO Y31 5G using your PIN code. In such case, the best solution would be reaching out to Vivo customer support service, notifying them about this issue, and in case you can provide them with the proof of the ownership of your smartphone, they'll be able to help you out resolving this issue and recovering your access without removing your private data from the smartphone. If you cannot do that, then the only solution to the issue is the factory reset operation. Now, the factory reset operation on the smartphone can be performed either through the recovery mode. In such case, now if you are interested in how to perform a factory reset through the recovery mode, I suggest you watch the video on our channel that is titled How to Perform Factory Reset Through Recovery Mode on VIVO Y31 5G. And getting to know that better. And before you perform a factory reset operation, if you have the access to your device, for example, via the fingerprint scanner or a face unlock scanner, first of all, back up all the important data to an external device. If you can access your smartphone, back up your data to either an external cloud, to an external SSD, to your PC, to your laptop, wherever. And after that, you can perform a factory reset operation using a remote service, the official Google web service that is called FindHub, and you can access it from basically any device. All you have to do to enter FindHub is find any device around you that you have access to that you can access a web browser with. Open web browser and search for FindHub by Google. Open this website and then sign in to your Google account that is linked with your Vivo. You'll be able to find your Vivo on this list here, and this will let you select it from the list, tap Settings, and select Factory Reset. This will begin the remote factory reset operation on your Vivo. Once the factory reset operation is performed, you'll be able to set up your device once again, and if you prepared backed up data, you'll be able to restore it from the backup. Now, one last thing before finishing this video. In case you do remember your device's PIN code, but your phone won't accept it when you enter it, sometimes this is caused by your device lagging because of some third-party application or some background process interference, which we can easily outrule by rebooting our device into safe mode. And on this device, in order to enter the safe mode, you just have to press power button and volume up keys at the same time. Hold your finger down on power off option until you see reboot to safe mode message. Tap OK and let your smartphone restart to the safe mode. Once the smartphone is restarted in the safe mode, you will see this indicator in the bottom left corner. Now, what you're gonna have to do next before trying to get to figure out which application caused this kind of issue. Of course, if you can sign in to your smartphone, is disable the screen lock. To do that, go to Settings, go to Security and Privacy, select Device Unlocking, select Screen Lock, re-enter your PIN code, and then change your PIN code to either None or Swipe option. And after that, just restart your smartphone by pressing power button and volume up keys at the same time. Select Restart and let your smartphone reboot. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.